So here it is, as you see before my eyes, what remains of the Ritz Ballroom in Brighouse. Sadly going to meet its demise very soon, to let her make way for all things such as a Starbucks, guys. Can you believe that? A Starbucks of all places. As if we haven't got enough of those. So, all the memories of the Ritz, they'll be there in your hearts. They'll all be there. But sadly, the building won't be. This is probably going to be the last video of the capture of the building as it stands right now. So, we can't get inside. All been secured after being open for years and years. But that's it, guys. So sadly this is going to be it. Ritz Ballroom. I'll put sorry, let the noise go past. I'll put some more little video clips on whenever I can. Put them on my next video. I've got a haunted video coming up with this place too, hopefully very soon. Anyway, we'll see, we'll trace the history of what remains of it, see what happens with this place, this site, see what happens with it next, and we'll see. We'll come back here when it's a Starbucks, sadly, and I'll do a little video there just to show you what a waste of space it's going to be, basically. So thanks guys, thanks for watching, catch you soon. See you again, and what's behind me will be, sadly, a Starbucks. Latest one. Okay guys, sadly next time you see me outside this particular location, I won't be here anymore. Just behind me, all this is going to be demolished, and the next time you see me out in this location, I'll be sitting in a Starbucks coffee shop or outside it, but they're too expensive for me, so I won't be supporting them. They're going to knock the Ritz Ballroom down. I will not be supporting Starbucks, but I'll be outside letting you know in this video. So there you go guys. Make the most of what you see behind you now. Now named Venue 73, originally it was the Ritz Ballroom Brighouse, well known for its 50s, 60s, 70s music, more though recently was a northern soul scene. So, see what you can see. This is it guys. Later on, I'll be filming here sadly, and it will be a Starbucks. See you later.